In this lecture video, we will learn what independent events are and how that relates to probability. Consider the following scenario. We have a jar of marbles. Inside that jar, there's 2 red, 1 white, 2 yellow, 3 green, and 1 blue. We want to find the probability of pulling a red marble and then a blue marble, but we will not replace the first before drawing the second. That is, we'll draw 1 marble, put it to the side, and then draw a second marble. So first, we have the probability of drawing 1 red marble out of this bowl. The probability of pulling a red marble is 2 out of 9 because there's 2 red marbles and 9 marbles total. Once that red marble is gone, the probability of pulling a blue marble is equal to 1 out of 8 because there's only 8 marbles left. So using the multiplication rule, the probability of pulling a red marble and then a blue marble without replacing the first is equal to 0.0278. Now let's look at this situation a little differently. This time, let's find the probability of pulling a red marble and then a blue marble if we do replace the first marble before drawing the second. We start the exact same way. The probability of pulling a red marble is 2 out of 9. There's 2 possible red marbles to choose from, and there's 9 marbles total. But after we draw this marble, we're going to replace it before drawing the second marble. So now the probability of pulling a blue marble is equal to 1 out of 9 because with that red marble replaced, there's 9 total to choose from. Now using the multiplication principle, we find that the probability of pulling a red marble and then a blue is equal to 0.0247, which is different than the first scenario. This is the difference between independent and dependent events. In the first scenario, those events were not independent, they were dependent. The probability of pulling a blue marble changed after we pulled the red marble out. In this situation, however, since we replaced the red marble, what we pulled first had no effect on the probability of drawing a blue marble second. And that concludes this conversation on the difference between dependent and independent events.